In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run your own Drosera node using Nodes Garden. Let's hop over to Nodes Garden. We're going to go down over to Drosera. There it is. I'm opening that up, and if you have not deposited funds on your Nodes Garden account really quickly, we need a little bit of cash, so I'm going to throw in $11.90. If you use my coupon code Clint, it's 15% off. I'm going to put in Arbitrum and USDT. If I hit pay, the window will pop up here and I can hit confirm, and then I will have paid. The next step is we need to grab our node. So we're scrolling down to the very bottom. We're putting in our fancy coupon code to save some money, and I'm going to hit purchase. All I have to do is hit OK, and then my node is going to propagate and the status will eventually change over. In order to find the node that's ready for me to run on Drosera, I just have to click into the node section here. Inside of my nodes dashboard, as you can see here, the state is online for Drosera. You can also keep an eye on your notifications in the corner here. I'm going to show you really quickly how to get this up and running. You can see that the node data is blurred out right now. We're very quickly going to create a new wallet with this data, and we're going to follow the instructions that are given right here. First thing I'm going to do is unblur this screen and copy my key phrase or my seed phrase over. So I am copying and I'm opening up my wallets, and I want to add a account so that I can plop in that seed phrase that you just saw me copy. Paste and import the wallet. Excellent. I like to rename my wallets so I can keep track of the different nodes that I've built. So I'm going to go in here and make sure that I am renaming this properly. So account details, edit, and I'm calling this Drosera. All right, perfect. Next, I'm going to Chainlist so I can import the new chain onto the new wallet. First thing I need to do is make sure that I include testnets, and I'm typing in Hoodi, and I'm going to connect my wallets, connect, approve, and now I have added this new wallet and I've added this new testnet to my wallet. Food for thought, in the instructions, it encourages you to add this RPC node. I'm fine with adding all of them, but I do want to make sure that I'm following everything to a T. So I'm going to click add to MetaMask on the remaining ones just so they're there and they've been added. In order to select the specific node, in this case, ETH Panda Ops, I would click into my MetaMask. I would be able to, within the dropdown, select which one is my primary RPC, and in this case, this is the correct one, so I'm happy, and we're moving on. Next, we want to connect with our new wallets into the Drosera app. So I am selecting MetaMask because that's the wallet I'm using. I can see that I'm connected through the Drosera wallet that I've added here. I'm going to hit connect. Some of the remaining steps here, we just have to go in to find our node. So I'm hitting traps owned. I'm opening up my particular node. Now I'm hitting send bloom boost, and I am putting in 0.05 ETH. Confirm. Confirm. After a short delay, you can see at the bottom, the transaction has gone through. Great. Now I just need to wait 15 to 20 minutes for the network to process the actions. Now it's time to opt in. I'm hitting the opt in button, and I'm going to simulate transaction and then confirm transaction and confirm. Confirm status. Now I've just refreshed my Traps Explorer. It can take up to 5 to 10 minutes, but you can see that the operator status is actually showing that blocks are being worked on. So my node is live and working, and I'm sure over a long enough timeline I can continue to check my status. Just a few moments later, I've checked back and I can see that now there are 6 blocks showing. So I am continuing to supply value on Drosera, and I am earning incentives and rewards by passively just operating a node using Nodes Garden. You can do this too. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, leave a comment if you like, and yeah, thanks for watching.